Louis, so we're gonna do a back glass here. Let me show you. So we're gonna do the job. Now remember, we have these ones done, so finally we finished the design. Now it's a configuration where you set in the line here with these two rudiments and the each high to make the perfect cut. If you don't know how to make it, it's not gonna work. The tool doesn't work for nothing. So I will post the technique later, so these guys are ready. It's just one, but you can just, let's say you're using the driver's side, passenger side, but you have to change the configuration, how you roll in the line between the wheels and the spindle, or the tool doesn't work. It doesn't work for nothing. But I later post the video. Now here I have another tool. So this one, you're gonna like it, maybe not, but this is for the urethane, okay? So I'll post the video soon and you can see how these things works, okay? So just let me wait on that one. And we're back on business with the back glass. Give me 1 second in. Alright. As a lock, we're gonna use just a head. That's it. We don't need nothing else. Just gonna start this guy. We're gonna start for maybe back to the other side. That's the biggest step right there, okay? We're gonna test the tool. There you go. We're gonna catch the second one right there. Now here, because we have a big stop right here, this is what I'm talking about. We're gonna get the cord and you can just swap this guy here, or you can just make it turn this point. The only you're gonna be playing sometimes is with the hose, but just not much. And that's it, guys. So that's all we need to do for this big guy, okay? So the only I did today, the change we made it is about the rudiments. They are more smaller because that's going to keep the force inside. If we go most outside, we're going to force to break the wheels, or we're going to just forcing the tool to make more moves. But if we go back on the force exactly on the edge, by the force is more for the vacuum pump, I mean the vacuum suction cup, it's not going to stop. Oh, it's not going to move. It's very difficult. This guy is sliding. Plus the power pump. That's it. Okay, guys, so I'm done. So I'm going to show you how to use this guy here soon. Give me 1 second.